Charles Dickens' timeless wisdom still shapes how we understand society, struggle, and human nature. Have a heart that never hardens, and a temper that never tires. Source: Hard Times, 1854. There is nothing in the world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humor. Source: A Christmas Carol, 1843. A loving heart is the truest wisdom. Source: David Copperfield, 1850. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burden of another. Source: Speech at Birmingham, 1854. The pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again. Source: Nicholas Nickleby, 1839. We need never be ashamed of our tears. Source: Great Expectations, 1861. There are books of which the backs and covers are by far the best parts. Source: Oliver Twist, 1838. Procrastination is the thief of time. Source: David Copperfield, 1850. Suffering has been stronger than all other teachings. Source: Great Expectations, 1861. Happiness is a gift, and the trick is not to expect it to last. Source: Nicholas Nickleby, 1839. A day wasted on others is not wasted on oneself. Source: A Tale of Two Cities, 1859. There is wisdom of the head and wisdom of the heart. Source: Hard Times, 1854. Charity begins at home. Source: Martin Chuzzlewit, 1844. The first rule of business is, do other men for they would do you. Source: Sketches by Boz, 1836. Friendship means understanding, not agreement. Source: Bleak House, 1853. We forge the chains we wear in life. Source: A Christmas Carol, 1843. It is a melancholy truth that even great men have their poor relations. Source: Great Expectations, 1861. Subdue your appetites, my dears, and you have conquered human nature. Source: Nicholas Nickleby, 1839. The civility which money will purchase is rarely extended to those who have none. Source: Oliver Twist, 1838. Electric communication will never be a substitute for the face of someone who with their soul encourages another person to be brave. Source: Letter, 1860. The world belongs to the energetic. Source: Letter, 1850. I know enough of the world now to have almost lost the capacity of being surprised by anything. Source: David Copperfield, 1850. I only ask to be free. The butterflies are free. Source: Bleak House, 1853. Regrets are the natural property of gray hairs. Source: David Copperfield, 1850. Change begets change. Source: Barnaby Rudge, 1841.